Okay, so I got this out. It's kind of a bitch. Not actually that bad, it's just a few bolts. Really. But I got it out. I had everything disconnected. It should be very simple to put it back in and reconnect. But I gotta replace this whole fucking thing because of this piece right here. When you click this, it goes down, and these two white wires right up here in the top tell this solenoid to come out like that. And when it does, this goes from not moving to when you pull that little deal out there. Then if I push it, if I grab it and push it, now it does move. So that's a big, to try and take this part out, okay, just this piece, I'd have to resolder those connections, okay, that come into this part. Not impossible task, but you certainly can't do that without taking it out of the car. So when you take out this whole piece, and people are selling an entire, like not new, but an entire replacement one for, you know, 50 to 80 bucks, and this, which I can't even find, might cost $100 brand new by itself. So it's really not a choice.